This is InsideInvestmentBanking.com, the place where you can find every secret you need to break into banking.
The ultimate factor affecting which interview questions banker ask is you. Most obviously, your education and work background will influence how many technical questions get flung your way. A point you may think is unfair until you realize that as a finance/accounting student, you are already several steps above a lib arts student. And of course, the type of spot you're going for, internship v. analyst program, will affect the questions you get. The difference in knowledge/skill requirements. The script of questions will also get rewritten based on the first impression bankers get from you and how you react to the first 10 minutes of questions. Let me explain this point because it was instrumental to my success and for everyone else on the team. How you can affect the interview the most. If you can make a rocket-like start and show bags of intelligence and likability, then the bankers aren't going to keep drilling you with technical questions or crazy investment banking brain teasers for 40 minutes. Nor are they going to whip out the inane questions like, why do you want to work here? Or the, why investment banking interview question. Instead, they'll spend time getting to know you really well as they try to confirm their desire to get you on board. In other words, if you allow them to see you've got brains at the very start of your interview, then you'll give them the luxury of allocating the rest of the interview to a two-way chat on personal issues. The type of chat that shows you could both work well together and that they should be offering you ASAP. I remember one interview where the MD took the interview conversational after only 2 minutes. The interview topics deviated to the land of buddy-buddy like this: Europe study abroad, 5 minutes. Traveling Asia, 4 minutes. Golf, 8 minutes. And lighthearted banter about freaking tuna farm investments, 9 minutes. Needless to say, the interview went swimmingly and I got offered pronto. How easy was that? Hopefully you can see the importance of making a 10 out of 10 first impression. Getting back on track, a final factor that affects the content of an interview is which group you interview with and which bank. Groups with a real technical hardcore modeling bent, for example Industrials M&A, and the bigger BBs with thousands of applications will go nuts on the technical questions, whilst boutique investment banks will test your plug-and-play knowledge and skills more than you would think since they don't have extensive training programs themselves. Hint: if you interview with equity capital markets, pour yourself a frickin' pina colada, get out the sun chair, and relax. It's Sesame Street easy. TMT, on the other hand, good luck.
This has been another InsideInvestmentBanking.com presentation.